G'day, we're back again working on the 80 this time. So as you can see behind me, just starting to get it taped up. Nathan's been working on that now, cleaning it down, pretty much getting it all ready for paint. We're going to prime it at the moment, and if you saw my last video, I said the spray painter is away for a little while, so we're going to prime it ourselves, or Nathan's going to prime it. I'm not really going to do much, and then when he comes back, we'll get it painted by him. We're just going to get everything prepped, so all he can do is just come in, spray it, and we'll drive out.
That's if he comes back in time, else I'm going to have to spray it for Australia Day.
So yeah, kind of just feeling that one out at the moment. See how we go.
Okay. So this is too much hose to be using, but it's all we got at the moment. When you're spraying, you want to run it through a water trap and a pressure regulator. So I usually set it to about 45 psi. A bit more psi if you got a bit longer line. Nothing over 60, it's a bit too much. Should be good. It's about as dodgy as we get, and this is how we like it. Mix it in the gun. How you want to mix it is just keep adding thinner. Give it a stir, keep adding thinner till that run should stop and start going to drops in 3 seconds. Any quicker or any slower, you need to adjust. Alright, let's just see how much stuff we can spills. One, two, three, no, still too thick. 1, 2, 3, that's close enough. Get a cover on everything to protect all the exposed metal and bog and stuff like that. We've got an intermittently dying compressor. Makes this so much more fun. Then half a cup of paint left, and we've got this panel, half the back and the whole roof to do. See if we can make it. It's going to be close. Just started. I don't know if you can hear it on the tin roof. We've got about, I don't know, 100 mils of paint left maybe. And he's just got this last little corner to do. So it looks like we're just gonna make it before the rain and just before we run out of paint. Just made it, that little last bit. So that's the primer done for tonight. This car can go outside now once it stops raining, and we'll have to wait and see if Nathan's guy's back in time for paint or not. So Nathan might end up painting it, who knows. Can't wait to see how that turns out. We've knocked through the primer. Now we're going to do top coat, so that's going to be postponed now till next week. So it's going to be a very busy next week since we're all busy this weekend. So yeah, that's literally going to prolong all this because I can't really pull anything off the car or change anything because I don't want to pull masking tape off and that. So still really got to do everything next week. So we've finished painting. It's now pretty late and we're about to head home when it struck me that my house keys are still in the car. So yeah, hopefully someone's awake.